pump it. I'm getting nothing. Not even pressure.
I have a
So pump it 3 times, hold it.
damage to
Hey, Timmy. Is there any old buses with front wheels that got the hub? The oil hub reservoir is still good?
That's overrated. Go to the floor. Did you get scared and ran away?
That shitter again. Came down and damn near cut his arm.
I gotta try singing.
Alright, kicked it. Did like a quarter of the list of shit. Yep.
Yeah, I couldn't believe I did a great job, and that's why I was like, alright, I'm gonna be honest, I did the same exact feature we did last time. She goes, oh, you have. Hello? Okay.
You want to check the oil in?
No, oil's good. I just did an oil change.
Yeah, let's have it.
Yeah. Sure. Pick up your corner a little bit.
It's going in there and I'm like, oh, that's it. I'm like, bumper is going to be on his foot, but you know, who cares? It's all good. I see.
Oh, fuck this one.
Welcome to the journey.
Did you happen to get the big about filter yet?